Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the heater blower motor and resistor or the control module on Opel Corsa D. The location of the heater blower motor is underneath the glove box. There is usually cover underneath the glove box that you need to remove in order to get access to the heater blower motor, but in my case there is no cover, and that's the heater blower motor right there, and on the rear is the heater blower motor control module. That's the control module right there. In order to remove the heater blower motor, we need to remove those electrical connectors. There's 3 here and 1 on the rear right there. And the heater blower motor is held by 3 bolts, which are right there is 1 of them, and 2 on the back. And there is also a heater pipe that we need to remove, that's in front of the heater blower motor. So first it's better to remove the electrical connectors and then start removing the bolts. Now that the bolts are removed, we're going to pull out the heater blower motor. That's the heater blower motor out. Now I'm going to remove the electrical connectors. So that's the heater blower motor, and that's the control module or the resistor on the heater blower motor right there. Replacing the heater blower motor is in the reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.